Hey, so as requested, I'm here to demonstrate how to make homemade Brazil nut milk using the Nama juicer. This is a masticating juicer. This thing is just plain old phenomenal. So let's get started with what you'll need. You'll need 2 cups of soaked Brazil nuts, and you'll need 4 cups of coconut water, give or take, depending on how creamy you want this nut milk to be. Okay, let's turn this baby on and get juicing or milking. So at first you want to just start feeding slowly the Brazil nuts into the feeding tray, and you want to wash it down with a small amount of the coconut water and kind of evenly feed it all in. And we'll keep going through this process just until all of it is washed down evenly for a consistent nut milk. And while we go through this process, just want to let you know Brazil nuts are high in selenium, they're alkaline. So I just want you to take a look here at how dry this nut grind is. It is great. This juicer has strained these nuts completely. You can see that there are no pooling or puddling water pockets or anything, so you can see that this is very dry. You can store this in your fridge for later use, for making crackers or breads or whatever you would like. So here we are, letting the milk out of the juicer. And then we want to take a mesh strainer, and strain it, just to get any little particles that the juicer may not have strained out. Now we're going to load it into our mason jar, and voila, we've got some great Brazil nut milk to share and enjoy. Until next time, guys. Shalom.